Technological advancements are increasingly changing the face of modern human civilization. Innovations that were once only imaginable in science fiction movies are now starting to become a reality. One of the most astonishing breakthroughs comes from the automotive world: flying motorcycles. Aerwins Technologies, a company based in Delaware, United States, has created this incredible vehicle called the X-TURISMO Hoverbike. This vehicle looks like it came out of a Star Wars or the Jetsons movie. Aerwins is known for specializing in drone and unmanned vehicle development. X-TURISMO can soar through the air at speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour for 40 minutes. Imagine gliding over the crowded streets of New York City without any obstacles. A futuristic dream that is slowly becoming a reality. Although not yet widely marketed, the hoverbike has already captured the world's attention. The price of this state-of-the-art vehicle is quite fantastic, around $777,000 US. But don't worry, Aerwins plans to bring a smaller, eco-friendly version powered by electricity for $50,000 US by 2025. The X-TURISMO Hoverbike is also already on sale in Japan, where regulations are more flexible as the vehicle is not classified as an aircraft. Even so, its use is still restricted to racing circuit areas for safety. Technically, the X-TURISMO is powered by a 228 horsepower Kawasaki motorcycle engine with 2 large rotors in the center and 4 supporting electric rotors on the sides. It weighs about 300 kilograms and is nearly 4 meters long, and its landing design resembles a small helicopter. When it was tested at the North American Auto Show, Thad Scott, co-chair of the event, could not hide his admiration. "It feels like riding a vehicle from Star Wars. Very smooth, no vibration, and really exciting," he enthused. Behind this innovation, Aerwins CEO Shuhei Komatsu revealed that his childhood obsession with Star Wars was his source of inspiration. "I wanted to bring something from the movie to life," he says. With a planned mass production of 200 units, the X-TURISMO Hoverbike is proof that the future of transportation is no longer just an imagination.